The right business credit card can put thousands of dollars back in your pocket every year through cashback and perks. The wrong one can quietly cost you in interest and fees that you didn't even see coming. So in today's video, we ranked the top 7 business credit cards for 2026 based on rewards, interest rates, and real business use cases so you can find the one that actually fits your situation. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and on this channel, we help you make smart money decisions for your business without the confusing jargon. Let's go ahead and get into it. Before I give you the list, let's talk about how to actually choose because the best card is different for different people. There are 3 things to weigh. First is rewards. Do you want simple cash back or travel points you can stretch further on flights and hotels? Second, the interest rate or APR. If you're going to pay your balance in full every month, the APR barely matters. If you might carry a balance, a low rate or a 0% intro period definitely matters a lot. And third is the credit requirement. Some cards need strong personal credit to get approved, and others are built for newer businesses or fair credit. Keep those 3 things in mind as we go, and the right pick will become super obvious to you. Okay, starting off with number 1, the best overall is the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited. This is the top all-around pick because it does almost everything well and has no annual fee. You get unlimited flat cash back on every purchase, so there's no tracking categories, and it usually comes with a strong welcome bonus and a 0% intro APR period when you first open it. For most small business owners who just want simple, solid rewards without paying a fee, this is definitely the easy default. If you want to go ahead and check it out, we do have a link down below where you can check out their current bonus. Number 2 is the best for cash back, and that's the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. If you want the most actual cash back, this one earns an elevated flat rate on your everyday spending up to a yearly cap, then a standard rate after that, and it also has no annual fee. The cashback lands automatically as a statement credit, so there's nothing to redeem. For a business with steady, predictable expenses, this card just quietly pays you back on everything you were already buying. Number 3, the best for travel rewards is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. If your business spends on travel, shipping, advertising, or online services, this card earns bonus points in exactly those categories. The real magic is that the points are worth more when you use them for travel or transfer them to airline and hotel partners, which can stretch their value well beyond plain cashback. It does have a modest annual fee, but for businesses that travel or run ads, the rewards usually pay for it several times over. Number 4, and this is the best for startups with no credit history, is Brex. This one is different. So Brex is built for startups and it generally does not require a personal guarantee, which means it looks at your business itself rather than your personal credit. That's not a big deal if you don't want your personal score on the line. The catch, and I want to be honest about this, is that Brex has stricter requirements about your business, like keeping a certain amount in a business bank account, so it's better suited for funded startups than someone running a tiny side business. If that's not you yet, don't worry, because number 7 is going to cover the option for true beginners. And stick with me because after the list, I'm going to give you the application tips that actually help you get approved, which matters just as much as picking the right card. Number 5, the best for a 0% intro APR is the American Express Blue Business Plus. If you've got a big purchase coming, like equipment or inventory, and you want time to pay it off without interest, this is the card. It gives you a 0% intro APR for around a year, so you can spread out that expense interest-free, and on top of that, it earns rewards points on your spending with no annual fee. Just remember the golden rule of intro APR cards. Have a clear plan to pay off the balance before that intro period ends because the regular rate kicks in after that. Number 6, and this is the best for high spenders, is the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. If your business runs a lot of money through a card every month, this one is built for that. It earns unlimited flat cash back rate on everything with no category limits, and it's designed for serious spend. There is an annual fee, but for a business spending heavily, the cash back easily outweighs it. It's a clean, powerful choice when your volume is high and you just want maximum simple cash back. And number 7, the best for fair or building credit, is the Capital One Sparks Classic. This is the one for true beginners and anyone whose credit isn't perfect yet. It's designed for fair credit, so it's far more approachable than the premium cards, and it still earns cash back on every purchase. Most importantly, it reports to the Business Credit Bureau, so using it responsibly actually helps you build the credit you'll need to qualify for those better cards down the road. Think of this as your on-ramp. You start here, you build your history, and then you can graduate from there. Next, we're going to get into those application tips that I promised, because getting approved is its own skill. So first, you want to check which cards match your credit before you apply, since every application can ding your score. So you don't want to just apply blindly. Second, you want to have your business basics ready, like your EIN, your business name, your industry, and your estimated monthly revenue, because the application is going to ask. Third, know that you can apply as a sole proprietor using your social security number if you don't have an EIN yet, so you don't need a fancy corporation to get a business card. And fourth, don't apply for several cards at once, because a bunch of applications in a short window looks a bit risky to lenders. Pick the one right card for you and go ahead and apply for that. Now, let me leave you with one habit that decides whether a business card helps you or hurts you, because it matters more than which card you actually pick. Pay your balance in full every single month. When you do that, the card's interest rate becomes irrelevant, and every bit of cash back and every perk is pure profit on spending you were already doing anyways. The moment you start carrying a balance, the interest quietly eats your rewards, and a 2% cashback card paying 20-something% interest is just losing trade. So treat that card like a tool that pays you for organizing your spending, not like a loan. Run your real business expenses through it, pay it off in full, and let the rewards stack up. The only exception is a planned purchase on a 0% intro card where you've mapped out paying it down before that intro period ends. Use that way, these cards genuinely put money back in your pocket. And now, if you're still deciding and you're not fully set on which card is actually the best fit for you, we have a card matching link down below. So once you click that link, it will allow you to match your next card with confidence, okay? When you fill out these, you basically get a personalized credit card offer super quickly. So all you have to do is go ahead and take 4 simple steps, answer a couple questions, and your credit score won't be impacted at all. And then it will go ahead and provide you with a bunch of different options. So again, if you're still confused and you're not exactly sure which card is going to be the best fit for you and your business, go ahead and use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use our link down below, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and bring it all together. For most people, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited is the best overall starting point. If you want maximum cash back, look at the Amex Blue Business Cash. If you travel a lot, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred is going to be best for you. Funded startup with no personal guaranteed is Brex. If you have a big purchase coming, the Amex Blue Business Plus and its 0% intro APR is a really good bonus. If you spend a lot of money month to month, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus is going to be a great option for you. And if you're just starting out or building credit, the Capital One Spark Classic is definitely your on-ramp. All of the links are down below, so you can go ahead, compare them, and apply the one that fits for you. If this helped you make sense of business cards, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides to building and funding your business. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.